Hi guys. So for some reason, every time I refill my Wild Deodorant, I struggle. I don't know why. My vision's not that great, and I forgot about the wind all the way down to refill the first couple times, and so I was like seriously struggling. I'm probably the only one that had trouble, more than likely, but just in case anyone else did, I thought I would make a video. So this is one of my cases. I have three. It's an Emma Bridgewater collaboration that they did. They always have really fun cases. So anyways, so you're winding all the way down. So if you see, it's going down. See? And this is really easy. I don't know why I struggle. You turn till it stops, doesn't go anymore, and then it just pops right out. So easy. And then you take this off. It's just cardboard. And then I think I'm gonna do fresh cotton and sea salt as my refill in this one. It smells really good. So you just stick the refill on there. And sorry about the jets and the sirens and everything, if you guys can hear that. Jets are normal in this area because we live by a Navy base, an air base. This part didn't come out. I was like, what's happening? So there's some residue. My last one that I did, it just stayed in there, but this one's coming out probably because it's been out here outside in the heat. So I'm gonna be taking this part out. It looks like frosting. That's pretty funny. Don't eat it. So there you go. All right, now it's ready to have its refill put in. So wild. You just slide it in until it snaps. You see these little things. There's one on each side, and it snaps into place. And then you twist it until it comes up. And you see there's a little bit of residue still. I'm gonna leave it there because it's still perfectly good. And what was I just gonna say? Anyways, this part, so if you are used to using plastic deodorant containers, the plastic kind of scrapes you if you don't have the deodorant up high enough. Well, this isn't like that. It's curved and it's smooth, so even when you're coming to the end of the deodorant, like there's barely anything left on this. I really used it to pretty much the maximum. It doesn't scratch you, it doesn't scrape you, which is something that I really like about the Wild Deodorant. You know, one of the things, because I like everything about it. It works really well. And I heard that they're having roll-on deodorant coming to the United States, which is quite exciting. I don't mind this, but maybe the roll-on will be clear. I don't know. So anyways, my affiliate link will be in the comments or the description, not the comments. And you can get a 20% discount if you order using my link.